Hello, you're welcome to today's lecture. What we actually want to treat today is some fractions, but the fractions that we want to treat is more about the addition and subtraction of fraction that has to do with the same denominator. What I mean by this is if you're going to add fractions up or you're going to subtract fractions, for as long as they have the same denominators, what are we going to do? Now the first thing we need to learn here is, whatever number that is at the top like this is referred to as your numerator, and the one at the bottom here is your denominator. Now let us look at what we want to do today. So assuming you have 5 all over 8 plus 2 all over 8, you can see that these fractions, addition of fractions that we are looking at here, has the same denominator. In fact, their denominator is 8 and 8. So because we have 8 here and we have 8 at the other side, we can actually refer to it as having the same denominator. So when a fraction has the same denominator, whenever the denominators are the same, add or subtract only the numerators and keep the same denominator. What we mean by this is, for as long as we have 8 here and we have 8 at the other side, all you need to do is just add 5 plus 2 together. So when you add 5 plus 2, it will definitely give you 7 all over 8. So the addition of 5 plus 2 will give you 7. And because you have 8 here, just keep it the same and just put the 8 here. So 5 all over 8 plus 2 all over 8 would eventually give you 7 all over 8. Now let's move to the other example, which is subtraction. Assuming you have 5 all over 8 minus 2 all over 8, we're asked to subtract this. Now don't forget the rules. Whenever the denominators are the same, add or subtract only the numerators and keep the same denominator. So what we are just going to do here is 5 minus 2, that would equally give you 3 all over 8. So we have 3 all over 8 because we subtracted 2 from 5, that gave us 3, and the denominator, which is 8, remains the same. Now with these examples I've given to you, I would like you to try out some things. So let's see some exercises that you can actually try out. The first question is 1 all over 5 plus 3 all over 5. The second question is 3 all over 5 minus 1 all over 5. The third question is 5 all over 7 plus 1 all over 7. Why the last but not the least exercise that you need to try out is 5 all over 7 minus 2 all over 7. Now to be able to do this, please pause this video to try the exercise and release the pause later to check for your answers. So if you are done with this, you can actually release your video to check the answer. So you can pause right now. The answers are as follows. For the first question, which is 1 all over 5 plus 3 all over 5, the answer is 4 all over 5. For the second question, which is 3 all over 5 minus 1 all over 5, the answer is 2 all over 5. And for the third question, which is 5 all over 7 plus 1 all over 7, the answer is 6 all over 7. And for the fourth question, which is 5 all over 7 minus 2 all over 7, the answer is 3 all over 7. Thanks for watching the video.